Good morning. It is Wednesday, November 12th, 3:46 a.m. here in the Philippines and back home on the East Coast. It is Tuesday, November 12th, 2:46 p.m. Uh, we all checked into a hotel, me and my family. We checked in. We just finished Typhoon Uwan here in the Philippines. So in the area where we live, the power still isn't restored. So we checked into a hotel room. But I'm going to get into it because there is something exciting going on right now. Right now, the Dow is taking off. It is at all-time highs. And there's a saying in trading, when something reaches an all-time high, it usually continues to go higher. A lot of traders will say might be the peak, time to get out and stuff like that. But I've been trading for a long time, and let me tell you, there's a lot of truth to if there's a instrument that you're trading and it's at an all-time high, more than likely it's going to continue. There'll be ups and downs along the way, but it'll continue. Anyway, let's get into this because as you can see here, now we're looking at the daily chart. Look at this. This has been going on for some time. Steadily up. And like I said, when it reaches an all-time high, it continues. As you can see here, we had a pullback and then it continues again. Then we had a pullback and now it's continuing again. We had a little drop and now we're back up again. And today, it just went above the conversion line today. It just broke loose above the conversion line. So now this thing is going to continue. More than likely, like I said, you can never know what's going to happen in the markets. You can only estimate or guesstimate, but no one can tell what the future is, especially me or anyone. But anyway, it looks like more than likely this will continue and cross over this high of 48,194 that it reached. 181, let's say 48,230. It reached a high of 48,230 today, all-time high. Pull back to get a little breather. So what more than likely is going to happen, there's no guarantee, but what more than likely is going to happen is going to continue. Now we're looking at the daily chart. As you can see here, we got this nice, beautiful green upward cloud that's formed. You got your conversion line that's bent downward, yes. And your price action your baseline is flat, yes. But since this price action is going upward, and remember, all indicators and oscillators and stuff like that, they're lagging, meaning they're always behind the price action. So the price action dictates everything. So as you can see here, this price action broke above the conversion line today. So more than likely what will happen is this price action will start to pull this conversion line up, and eventually this baseline will go up. Or what will happen is this conversion line will go up to a certain point, and then it'll crash back down to the baseline. Or if the baseline bends upward, this thing will continue for a while. And like I said, this is the daily. And this is the futures market. This is not Forex. This is not the currency exchange. This is the futures commodities: sugar, corn, wheat, platinum, gold, iron. I was in gold earlier today, but I got out because it's not moving right. That thing is still in the range. I broke a rule and I traded gold, and I knew it was in a range, and darn sure it was in a range, didn't go anywhere, so I got out at a small loss. But this Dow is just continuing to go and go and go. So this is a beautiful trade. Lagging span well above the price action. This thing has a way to go, folks. The Dow is at all-time highs. So this is a trade. If you're a futures trader or commodities trader, however you want to call it, This is a trade that you really want to consider. Really want to consider. So this is a beautiful trade. Again, this is the Dow Jones. All right. Last but not least, I am looking at this Swiss franc Japanese yen. The Japanese yen has been getting weak lately, but suddenly today it got strong against some currencies. It was a pullback fight. It got to get strong against all major currencies except for the Swiss franc. The Swiss franc overall is getting stronger. As you can see here, it's taking more yen to purchase Swiss francs. So this is upward for the yen, meaning it's taking more yen to buy francs. As you can see here, the lagging span is above the price action. The conversion line and baseline are kissing, but again, this price action is above the conversion line, meaning that more than likely it's going to pull that conversion line up. And with the baseline already pointing up, once this is going to take off. And this is a good trade. This is really a good trade because if you see here, this thing has just been steadily, stably going up. You had a slight dip, a little breather, and then it's going back up again. So, and as you can see, the cloud is pointing up too. So that's another good sign. So this is another good trade you really want to consider. And this is in Forex. This is not in the futures market. So for futures, the Dow Jones is taking off. And for Forex, the Swiss franc JPY is really doing well. Beautiful trades. Beautiful trades. We got a lot of nice trends going. All right, that's it for now. I will talk to you again soon. Take care and good luck.